When last we left our hero, he was battling this. Mice. More mouse nest stuff. I tell you what, I can't believe all the mouses. Or is it mices? Anyway, look at it. It's in there, and you know what? We've had problems with the power windows. There's no power getting to the windows. That's why I've been jumping it with a little wire and a jumper cable off a battery and make the windows go. So they go, every window works from the switches, but there's no power getting to the switch. And I have a sneaky suspicion our little furry electrical friends snipped some wires on me. So anyway, I'm gonna suck these things out of here and see what it looks like inside. Once I get past that horrible mice grossness. Alright, this thing's all musty, mildewy, nasty. It's like a plasticized or rubberized plasticky stuff here that goes on this. And I'll probably save this just for a pattern, but it's pretty moused up. I mean, it's gross. Little buggers they really gross me out. I don't mind telling you. Mice will ruin something. They'll just totally destroy stuff. All right, can I unhook these wires is the question. Looks like this one unplugs. That's a weird one. Honestly, I think it's corroded on there, corroded kind of tight together. That's where that long screw went into. It holds this switch in place. More mousy stuff to get rid of. Okay, so I took the big part of that off, and I can push that down through there. Push this down through here. I get this whole door panel off of here so I think I can get that down through there. There we go. This part might actually slip in through here. No, it won't. I gotta unhook this wire, so I need a little tiny Phillips head. Time to invest in some new screwdrivers. All my old Phillips head screwdrivers are all beat up. Let's see if it works though. There we go. Got it. Okay, so here's a switch. Here's this guy. Here's this guy coming through here. And I got this guy going through there. And I got the door panel off. I'm pretty happy now. You have to brush it off, clean it up. I got it for the most part cleaned up pretty good because that vacuum's really good. The door panel's not in horrible shape. I mean, I can use all the door panels. I'm not gonna go looking for better old stuff. I'm not seeing where any wires are chewed is what I really wanted to see. But we'll have to look in here further. I might see something down there. Yeah, check this out. Still got mousy stuff there. And if I look down in there, looks like down at the very bottom there might be something going on. A lot of mousy debris in there. Stupid mice. Got the cable that runs that. I got this whole wire here. Well, that's chopped off. What in the world? I didn't do that. That didn't look real factory to me. I don't know why that's like that. I don't. Looks like a smoking gun. Where's the other end of it? Don't know. Maybe this was optioned with door locks. That would have been door locks. I don't know. Just the wire would have been in that harness that would have been chopped off. That's a window lock. Yeah, this don't have powered door locks that I know of. Anyway, so I'm going to clean this up, see how far I can get on it, and go from there, I guess. Well, I rolled this window up, and I got in here, and I got it all sucked out, and if you look in there, I don't see where it's been chewed up. I don't know if you can see it very well, but that wire looks pretty clean to me. This looks like it's been gnawed on. This is the wire for the wipers, and they clean all this off. Little buggers. Anyway, and I don't see any place that got chewed here. This is really heavy wire. This wire, I thought at first this was the problem, but this goes back to, the window lock switch. But then I'm over here, I'm coming through the door, I got some dirt and grime there I got to clean up. In through here, I'll open that up probably and see what's going on in that. But over here I got dirt and rust and it looks like more mouse stuff. So I'm going to check all these connectors out, see if there's not a bare wire there. All that junk just fell out of there when I opened that up. I'm going to suck it up and check the wires. Okay, I think I found a, maybe not smoking gun, but a smoldering gun for our power window power issue. This relay right here, it's all corroded up. It looks like it was mouse eaten. Now this is the second relay. The power seat relay underneath was all corroded up too. This one's corroded. Now, I'm pretty sure that we got a heavy orange and black, orange with a black stripe. We got a red with a white coming out, just like this red with a white going out to there. And this is the main power red and white going into here. So I'm thinking this relay took a crap. This probably is the wire that activates the relay. It probably comes off the key switch, at which point this makes a connection to the battery through a fuse somewhere, but I don't know where. Maybe just a fusible link under the hood. So I'm thinking this is my problem. Oh, here we go, pull it apart. If I were to spitball a guess, I'd say this relay probably isn't working. I can test it. Okay, this is our negative side. I'm gonna clamp it on this relay body. I think this prong right here would be the activation wire. Let's see if it clicks if I touch it with some power. Nothing. Whoa, definitely got power because I shorted it out. Nothing there. That was a big lead, that was a big lead, and that was, this one right here should click. I should hear an audible click. I'm getting nothing, so. Yeah, this relay's toast. So, it looks like I'm looking for a power window relay for a 70 Cadillac. Well guys, I'm off to find a relay. So, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and happy Thanksgiving. And we'll see you guys on the next one.